our company has invented an electrical device called as Corona Killer. Friends, to keep all of us away from coronavirus, we are using sanitizer to sanitize our hands. But there are certain places and things where we cannot use sanitizer or soap. So how to disinfect these areas? With this question and with this thought process, we have developed this device. This device works on electricity, that is on single phase, and it takes the ambient air in and converts it into the ions. Again, those ions are mixed into the air and those travel with the air. Wherever air reaches, their ions reach, and those ions disintegrate the coronavirus or any virus, any bacteria, any fungus available in the premises where the machine is installed. This machine has got 3 models. First model is useful for disinfecting the area up to 1000 square feet. Second is useful to disinfect the area up to 3000 square feet, and third model is useful to disinfect the area up to 6000 square feet. And if the area is beyond 6000 square feet, then we have to add number of machines so that we can disinfect the further areas also. This machine has been tested by ICMR NIV and Naidu Hospital in Pune, and we have received the efficacy certificate for these devices. This device is useful in your houses, prayer places, then gyms, cars, schools, colleges, hostels, hospitals, offices, factories, godowns, and malls, train compartments, aircrafts, etc. Now I am going to explain you how does Corona Killer disintegrate coronavirus and disinfects the surface where the machine is installed. Coronavirus body has got 3 layers as central nucleus, outer RNA layer, middle one is our RNA layer, and outer is the protein layer. The protein layer has got the probes. With the help of these probes, coronavirus enters into the human body. There it grows with the help of growth of RNA. We have to stop the growth of RNA. For that, we have to expose RNA, and to expose the RNA, we have to break the outer protein layer. So the ions generated by Corona Killer are breaking the external wall of coronavirus and exposing the RNA, and in this process, RNA growth chain is stopped, coronavirus is deactivated, and the area where the device is kept is disinfected. Corona Killer device can be installed and configured in 2 ways. One way is at the establishment where the people got the movements frequently. The people come, people leave the place. As an example, doctor's cabin or VIP person's cabin. Now you just take the example of this office. This office has got the reception. From this reception till that block, no partition is there. The machine is configured and installed in such a way that it works for the full day. You can see the machine is installed on the wall or it is put on the table. The machine generates the ions. Ions are traveling with air, with the force from fan or maybe AC, and wherever the air reaches, there the ions reach, and you can see the table, the rack, plant. It may be contaminated with coronavirus, but once the ions reach there, the contamination is vanished and the area is disinfected. And you can see in this office there are certain chambers, certain rooms. This room is closed, so inside the room there is no disinfection happening because the air is not going inside, so ions are not going inside. If you want to do the disinfection of the room, in that case you have to keep this door open. So the machine is installed there, ions are coming with the air, and the disinfection is happening. And if you want to close the room and you want to disinfect the room, close this door, but you have to install one more corona killer device inside this room, and then it will disinfect the area. Now, second method of configuration is wherever you know who are coming to visit your place, at what time they are coming, at what time they are leaving the place. There you have to install the machine and configure the machine in such a way that you have to switch on it for 1 hour before people visit your place and after people leave the place. So take an example of factory place or school. When the school starts, before that, 1 hour before school start, you have to disinfect the area, and after 1 hour school ends, you have to disinfect the area, and that's how you can disinfect the surfaces by using corona killer, which is inspected, tested and certified by ICMR, NIV and the Naidu Hospital in Pune in India. And you yourself, your family and the people surrounding you can be kept away from the infection by coronavirus, and your lives will be saved. This way, you yourself, your family members, your team members, and our entire society can be kept away from infection by coronavirus, and we can save many lives. We tried to explain corona killer device in detail. If you need the further information related to the models, pricing and technical details, we will be glad to answer you once we get the communication from you on the below contact details.